Today, we are at Desa Park. This is the place where we currently live here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And now, we are currently at the West Park. This is where we normally hang out because this is the closest park near our place. This is where we normally walk our dog and hang out if we just want some fresh air. After walking around the West Park, we went to the waterfront to have some lunch. At the waterfront, there are plenty of restaurants to choose from. But today, we chose to have lunch at Yayoi because we are just craving for some Japanese food. After having a sumptuous meal at Yayoi, we decided to walk around, mainly because our dog was already getting bored. So we went to Central Park, which was just behind the waterfront. And here at the Central Park, there is actually a beautiful lake which has a nice view of all of the buildings and condominiums around Desa Park. And likewise, there's also a nice jogging or a walking path surrounding the lake. Just a few meters away from the other end of the lake, there is actually a dog park. Normally, during the weekends, and if weather permits, this dog park is so full of dogs playing around. So if you are looking for a place to bring your dog to interact with others, this is the place to go. Likewise, if you just want to hang out, you can go here. So, to our surprise, there was no one around at the dog park, and definitely we needed to take advantage. So, we had our dog playing around all alone at the dog park. After having some fun at the dog park, we went to Plaza Arkadia, which is a lifestyle arcade in Desa Parkcity, and it's quite bigger than the Waterfront. So here at Arcadia, we went to our usual place, which is Furkids Planet. So Furkids Planet actually is a pet store, pet supply store, plus a pet cafe all in one. So we went there, we had our usual tea with some cakes, and our fur baby also enjoyed a meal there. After spending some time at Furkids Planet, we went around Plaza Arkadia just to see what's happening and over the weekend and just to see some sights. After some time walking around, we decided to go back home now. But while we were walking, suddenly it rained, so we decided to stop by again at the waterfront and stayed at our favorite cafe, which is the baker next door. So that is how we spent the day here at our little abode, Desa Parkcity. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you again on the next one. Ciao!